Looks like we need to use the difference quotient to find the derivative of f of x. Since we've got something divided by something, that's what gives me the hint that I should use the difference quotient. And the difference quotient states to take the derivative of the numerator. So the derivative of this would just be 0, -3, and minus 2x. Multiply that by the denominator unchanged. Subtract that from the derivative of the denominator times the numerator unchanged. All of that should go over the denominator squared. Okay, so here is our derivative, although it still looks pretty messy. So to clean it up a bit, we can do some distributing here and some distributing here, and then combine a bunch of like terms. So -3 times both of those, and then -2x times both of those. Got to make sure we keep up with this negative sign, so treat this like a -2x, and distribute that 3 times. And I guess I could FOIL out the denominator, but I'm going to choose to just leave that one alone. Okay, so now to start combining some like terms. See, I've got some x cubes here and some x cubes here, and those two just cancel out. I've got some x squared and some x squareds that would combine to be 3x squareds. Some x's and some x's, and a constant of +3. Still over x squared minus 1 squared. I can also see that this numerator is suspicious looking and that it probably will factor. So I would like to see that. Okay, and this looks kind of familiar to this. So I'm going to rewrite this a bit. This squared means I've got this times itself twice. And so it looks like even my denominator is going to factor more, because this is the difference of two squares. And this is the same difference of two squares. So these 4 factors in the denominator. The reason why I'm wanting to do that is because now these factors can cancel and these factors can cancel, leaving me 3 over x plus 1 times x plus 1, or we could just say x plus 1 squared. Now, even though I canceled those, technically x still can't be 1, so we should go ahead and list that restriction.